Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel. Make money through Google AdSense. So make sure to watch the full video. There are numerous ways to monetize your ads. We advise trying out AdSense for your website if you want to generate money with Google. What you need to know to start is provided here. Did you know that there are several ways to profit from Google AdSense? Perhaps there are chances for you to profit from Google that you are passing up? Be sure to look at the following Google AdSense revenue generating strategies if you want to increase your earnings. One of the easiest and most efficient ways to monetize your website or app visitors is with Google AdSense display advertising. Although it's a straightforward idea, there are certain specifics that you must comprehend if you want to succeed. You should be aware that we will only be concentrating on AdSense and optimizing your advertising. We won't cover developing a website that attracts visitors. You should either already have a website that receives traffic or is hard at work creating one if you want to use this guide efficiently. How exactly does Google AdSense operate? An ad network called AdSense links publishers and advertisers. Publishers link their websites to the ad network, enabling advertisers to compete for the right to display their adverts on those sites. The publisher receives a certain percentage of the advertiser's bid for the ad if a website visitor clicks or watches an advertisement. Google charges the price difference. How big is Google AdSense? With the help of the big and popular Google AdSense ad network, websites can display ads and generate income from the Google AdSense program. Google claims that millions of websites use AdSense, which has given users all around the world billions of ad impressions. The Google Advertising Network, one of the biggest and most popular ad networks in the world, includes AdSense. The Google Advertising Network consists of a number of goods and services, such as AdWords, AdMob, and DoubleClick, that enable advertisers to connect with consumers across many platforms, such as the Google search engine, Google Maps, and other websites and mobile applications. Overall, Google AdSense, which has a big and varied network of publishers and advertisers, is a prominent participant in the internet advertising sector. It continues to be a popular option for advertisers seeking to reach a broad audience and is a significant source of income for many websites. Google AdSense advantages. Simple to use, Google AdSense is simple to use and doesn't require much setup. Publishers only need to create an account, paste the AdSense code onto their website, and pick the ad types they want to run. Variety of ad forms. Publishers can select the type of ad that best suits their needs from a wide selection of ad formats offered by Google AdSense, including text, display, video, and mobile ads. Options for customization. Publishers can alter the way their ads look so that they blend in better with the overall design of their website and are less obvious to users. Complete reporting. Google AdSense offers publishers complete reporting capabilities so they may monitor the effectiveness of their advertising and make data-driven decisions about their ad campaigns. Global reach. Google AdSense has a global reach, as it is used by advertisers from all over the world to reach a large audience. This may enable publishers to monetize their traffic and raise their earnings. Multiple payment alternatives. Google AdSense provides publishers with a variety of payment options, such as wire transfer, check, and electronic bank transfer, making it simple for them to get their earnings. In general, Google AdSense is a useful tool for publishers that want to monetize the traffic to their websites and make money off of their content. What is required to apply for an AdSense account? Google is picky about who is admitted into its ad network. They want to preserve the integrity of their ad network and keep website quality high. Every publisher must follow a few fundamental guidelines. Be the following. Aged 18 years. Possess an active Google Mail account that is not connected to an AdSense account. 1. Design the appropriate kind of website for Google AdSense. When it comes to earning money from Google AdSense, some types of websites do better than others. Excellent content and a significant amount of traffic are 2 requirements for success with AdSense. There are 2 different categories of content. There is material that draws new users to your site every day, and there is content that encourages repeat visitors. You should try to strike a decent balance between the 2. By doing this, you can guarantee that a significant amount of the new traffic you receive will stick around as regular customers. Although these are not the only types of websites you can build, they are the simplest to set up with outstanding content, advertise, and find a layout that encourages users to click on your Google AdSense advertisements. 2. Use a variety of ad units. When creating their ads through Google AdWords, which is the advertiser side of things, various businesses will use various types of ad styles. They will be able to make straightforward text-based, image-based, and video ads. You should use a variety of ad units on your site to allow your audience to interact with advertisers whose ads they are most likely to click by using the various ad formats that advertisers can choose from. Be sure to keep user experience in mind when choosing which kind of ads to use and where to place them. You should always have more content on your page than advertisements. Utilize Google Analytics to run tests on the quantity, positioning, and design of the ads on your website to determine what engages users and visitors the most. 3. AdSense custom search ads should be implemented. You could make use of AdSense custom search on your website if it has a lot of content, blog, news, forum, etc. It would not only give your visitors a wonderful experience by enabling them to find particular content on your website, but it would also increase your Google AdSense revenue by displaying advertisements next to the search results on your website. It's important to keep in mind that AdSense custom search is distinct from Google custom search and that you must apply to have it installed on your website in order to start making money from visitors who conduct on-site searches. 4. Start using Google AdSense to monetize your YouTube channel. Google AdSense isn't just for people who build free online tools or text-based content. Start uploading original videos to YouTube through your own YouTube channel if you enjoy watching videos. After creating your channel, you can go to the features of your YouTube channel and enable monetization. This will walk you through the procedure of integrating your AdSense account with your YouTube channel so you can monetize your videos. After linking your AdSense account to your YouTube channel, you can decide which videos to monetize and what kinds of ads are displayed to your video viewers. You just need to check the video you want to monetize in your video manager and select the ad settings for that video. What is the procedure for Google AdSense payment? Monthly Google AdSense payments are made to publishers, and the amount of money a publisher makes is based on how many people click on or view their ads. Publishers must first create an account and add the AdSense code to their website in order to receive payment from Google AdSense. Publishers can start making money from their ads as soon as their website is approved and the ads are visible. A portion of the revenue made from clicks or impressions is distributed to publishers as part of the revenue sharing model used by Google AdSense. Depending on the type of advertisement and the rules of the AdSense program, the precise percentage varies. Publishers typically receive 68% of the revenue per click that Google receives from advertisers when using AdSense for content. Accordingly, the publisher will get a portion of any money paid to Google by an advertiser for a click on their advertisement. As payment for providing the advertising platform, Google receives the remaining portion. The percentage paid to the publisher may be less with AdSense for search, usually around 51%. This is because AdSense for search ads typically have a higher click-through rate and are therefore more targeted, which makes advertisers more willing to pay more for them. As a result, Google typically charges a higher fee for providing the advertising platform for AdSense for search ads. In general, Google AdSense's revenue sharing model enables both publishers and advertisers to gain from the platform. Publishers can monetize their traffic and generate income from their content, while advertisers can reach a large audience through the AdSense network. The payment threshold for Google AdSense is $100, and publishers are typically paid once per month. This means that before publishers are eligible to be paid, they must generate at least $100 in ad revenue. The amount will carry over to the following month until the threshold is reached if a publisher's ad revenue is less than $100. Publishers can check the status of their payments and earnings in their AdSense account. Checks, wire transfers, and electronic bank transfers are just a few of the payment methods that Google AdSense accepts. Publishers must specify their preferred payment method and payment information in their AdSense account settings. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.